I'm just back from dinner. बहुत बढ़िया डिनर करके आया मैं. So I'm just back. So I just thought दो तीन पार्सल आए हुए सी. So मैं सोचा मैं खोल के एक बार थोड़ा बढ़िया अपनी क्लोजिंग ओपनिंग हो जाती है पार्सल्स की. So just wanted to do that, and so I'm going to do that right away right now. So I have 2 to 3 parcels to open up right now in front of you. मैं खोल के ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਣਾ कि अपने को आज. This is Krishla HID, right? This is a new packing, new edition. थोड़ी visibility has improved. The visibility of the HID has improved now. मैं सही दसा मैंने वहाँ पैकिंग सब तो वधिया लगी HID ਦੀ. In case you want to actually give it to some customer or something है ना, ਆਪਾਂ देती ਸਿੱਧਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਦਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਵਾ. It's very easy, carryable नहीं मतलब carry कर सकता. I don't know if carryable नहीं. Sorry, my bad. From that box comes this box, right? Yeah, box खोल के दिखाने हैं how it is. एक मिनट यार. खोल जा. Oh, nice. Finally opened up. There you get 3M double tape kind of a thing, a blaster वगैरह if you want to stick the blaster somewhere. So this is very usable, and this is 2019 edition HID kit. Very nice, beautiful packing है, बहुत सोहनी packing है. So it has all the tubes inside. These are the tubes. I think this one would have blasters. Yeah, these are the blasters, RE blasters. Oh nice. This one and blasters भी blue करते. पहला earlier the blasters used to be silver, and now the blasters are. I think I need to keep the camera down. वो camera रख के I'll just take it out and click some pictures and I'll shoot. So finally it's out. बहुत सोहनी look देती है. Before it was silver, I just told you guys, before it was silver. Now the blue is a little bright blue, right? Glossy blue. So it says here, fast start, Krishla. So the best thing is like a lot of HID kits come in like 35 watt. This is something which comes in like 55 watts. So the voltage increases, so obviously brightness भी बढ़िया हो जाएगी. So I've just opened the box in front of you. If anybody needs HID, can WhatsApp us or message us, whatever you people are comfortable in. We have HID kits for all the cars, plus we have in all the Kelvins. This is a complete list. Here it is. So it shows here 6000 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin. I would prefer pure white, 6000 Kelvin. Right, which I like the most. Then you have H1, H7, H11, H8. All the bulbs are, all the tubes are available. All the bulbs are available with us. देख लो यार, accordingly order कर लो, है ना? And this is the brightness. This is one of the reasons why I like pure white, because 6000 Kelvin has pure white. So that's why I like it, Visibility gets a little better in pure white, what I feel. I think a lot of people prefer 8000 also, 8000 Kelvin. Some people are there who prefer 12,000 Kelvin. And there are few people like in hilly areas and all that, people prefer like 4300 Kelvin. It is yellow shade. So that's even better, yeah. So anybody wants to buy HID or something or the other, just let us know, like message us, and we can get you with the rates. And I wanted to inform you people that हर गड्डी दे bulb are different. All the cars have different bulbs, and I was actually telling about the HID itself. Every car has a different bulb. Like lot of cars have H7, lot of cars have H1. In fog light you have a different bulb, right? And in a lot of cars you need a canvas. So I wanted to honestly discuss about this. I have it installed in my car, right? And honestly telling you all people that this is basically a preferred thing I've tried all the HID kits, I've tried all the brands, but I prefer Krishlai only because the visibility and durability is so much better. And this company basically is offering 1 year warranty along with it. 1 year warranty is completely replacement warranty. So I think, you know, don't even have a second thought about anything. Just go for it. Just buy this one. Now that I see everybody is asking prices for HID, please let us know which car exactly you want the HID for, right? Because every car has a different rate and every car has a different bulb, has a different tube installed. So please let us know exactly like which car is it along, so that it is very convenient for us to give you all good prices, right? Thank you.